And ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Welcome to the vlog. So we have this Chevy Silverado, Trail Boss. Nice looking truck. We're doing an upgrade on it. So it's like a 21-22 F1 Chevy Silverado. And what we're going to do in this vehicle is we're going to do a kicker upgrade. So the customer brought everything in. So what it consists of, which is kind of weird, and I got to go through the instruction manual because for whatever reason the kit he bought is a SAT 919 with a kicker sub, and looks like there's an amp here, and then this has another amp here, and I've pulled the instructions for this box, but I'm not sure which kit this car is as far as system goes. So I'm gonna go through the manual, make a couple phone calls, and figure out what we're gonna do this truck specifically, because this has two kits in it. I don't know what happened in the order, but we'll figure it out. But what we're basically gonna do is we're gonna do the sub. It's either one way or the other, and the kit's available both ways with a secondary amp. And so the sub's gonna go under the seat here. It's got brackets made specifically to mount here, supposedly, according to the instructions. And then we're going to tie into the factory system. And then we're going to tie, we already took this apart here. So we're going to tie in the power there. And then we're going to work backwards from there, from the standpoints. As far as the install go, I'll go over the highlights of what we did as far as once we determine which system this is. Because like I said, there's an amp on here already. And then there's an amp here. So I'm not sure how this is supposed to go in. So let me make a call at Kicker and do some research and then find out which one this is. Okay, stay tuned. So after going through instructions and then plugging all the harnesses in, I think we figured out how it goes. So what happens is this kicker amplifier here lines up in the back wall. You provide the screws and a nut that goes here. Gives you a harness with a T harness that plugs into here. And this amplifier basically is a piggyback amplifier. In other words, it takes high level out of the stock head unit source and runs into this amplifier, which powers everything in the system, and also runs in a harness that comes off here to T's. It goes through here, and we just use Testa tape here to tape that section down. And in instructions, it tells you to run it specifically under here, like this, and then be careful how you run it through here. And then we pull this piece out, 4 7mm bolts, pulls this out, ran everything there. And then we have the sub. It goes right here, and it's secured by this bolt here, Torx in here, and then you have that one over there that tightens up, and there's a factory amp, so you have this little spot here. Then everything runs all the way up here, and then everything, the grounds go to this location here, which you just saw me push it down. And then it's a T harness that plugs into the factory system up in there. So literally you unplug one plug, it plugs into a T, is a gray plug, and then there's gonna be a wire that you cut on the other plug, which is the blue plug in this particular case, that you have to interrupt the blue with black, and then you tie that blue and black into the T harness that's provided, and it actually has an in and out. It tells you which one goes to where. And then also, one thing I noticed is that do not assemble the power harness connector, because literally it's not a waterproof plug. It's designed to actually run inside the vehicle from the fuse box, and the instructions kind of cover that. And then what I'll do is I'll give you an example on how this actually sounds. And it sounds pretty good for basically a whole system upgrade. The customer thought it was just a sub upgrade, but in this case it's a full system upgrade. So literally I'm replacing the amp, or actually adding an amp and adding a sub and giving it a little bit of impact. So I'll plug that and you tell me what you think. So the truck's all back together. It's got a couple kid seats in here. Let's play a tune, see how it sounds. He's got the bass boosted up, so I'm assuming that's why he wanted a sub. I don't think he realized he got an amp and a sub, but everything else. So let's play it.
I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before he hit your fist, but he hit the fan when I got him down and bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. that's the way you pay the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way you pay tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, I learned my right from wrong on the song.
Not bad for a full upgraded system from Kicker for this Chevy truck. Like I said, it's a Kicker audio package 941766. Comes with all the harnesses, 2 power harnesses, 2 amplifiers, basically T harness. It's pretty not. It's not bad for the money. Definitely an upgrade from the factory. So here's another video. Don't forget to like, follow, comment, subscribe. Peace.